Hey everybody, Jim King. I'm back out here in Leawood, Kansas. This project here, we're going to take this floor and we're going to saw cut it. We're going to jackhammer the floor and we're going to go down 3 feet. And once we go down 3 feet, we're going to come in here and we're going to set some 2 12-inch forms on top of each other. We're going to pour a wall and a footing monolithic. That means at the same time, we're going to strip the forms after the concrete cures up, come in 6-inch, 3/4 inch clean rock with some plastic over that, and then another 6 inches of concrete. That's how I've designed this. This project here, once in a while, some outside, when I did this job, it was, the guy told me what he wanted. I sat down and I gave him an itemized bid of everything that it would take to do this job. Lo and behold, we get the job like we generally do. And now that we've started, a structural engineer gets involved, which I don't have a problem with because it's Norton and Schmidt Structural Engineers, and that is the company that backs and stamps my piering system. They're generally a bunch of good, smart guys. But in here, most structural engineers want to come in and drill things and do a bunch of stuff that's not needed. And so as soon as we had the meeting, I told my son, go back to our office, type up a letter, send it to the owners, that going underneath these foundation walls after we remove the floor and go under the footing and drill holes through the footing. The concrete, I don't know if these guys don't realize this, I told them, this house, this foundation is built with low strength concrete. Yeah, it hardens up. You really can't tell the difference between high strength concrete and 2,500 pound concrete, but in time, it goes to crap. And this guy wants us to drill holes underneath this section of wall right here and throw some rebar in there, and I just think it's causing destruction to the wall. There's not a crack anywhere in there, but after I get in there and drill a hole, if he wants a 1/2 inch hole, it's a hammer drill. I got to drill up in the middle of that wall, and it's going to cause a problem. So I covered my rear end, and I told my son to write a letter to the owners. If anything goes wrong with that wall, I'm going to get paid to fix it. It ain't my fault. So sometimes you can pay somebody money. I had a long discussion with him about I-beams. When you look at their drawings on I-beams or any structural engineering firm's drawings on I-beams, if you do it the way the drawings are shown, the homeowner gives the drawings to the contractor and he does them exactly the way the structural engineering firm draws it up, the homeowner is paying the contractor to destroy the house. It makes no sense. So anyway, I had some discussions with him. I love talking to these guys because they usually have just studied and never really dug a hole, never really pounded a hammer, never really jackhammered a floor out. They've just seen it on our videos on YouTube. So anyway, King Piers out here in Leawood. Stay with us on this. Is going to be interesting. We got the pool job coming up probably Wednesday of this week. We are going to be live. Probably going to go Facebook Live on that all day long and videotape that project showing what we can do. But this job right here, stay tuned on King Piers in Leawood. For all your foundation piering needs, call me, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our Facebook page, look us up there, send us a message. We get a lot of bid requests from Facebook. Our YouTube channel is very valuable to us. If you go there, give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, maybe make a comment. If you need a bid, put it on there. We'll get back with you. Thank you.